Hello, James Graney here from internetbizuni.com, and in this video we're going to be speaking about how you can start selling on Amazon via Amazon FBA with less than $1,000. So stay tuned. So this is a question that I get asked all the time. It's from people saying, I've only $500 or I've only $600 or $700, and I want to get started with Amazon FBA. Where can I get started? What should I get started selling? And this is what I tell them. You're better off not starting with private label if you have below $1,000. And the reason for this is simple, that it's hard to succeed if you start with less than $1,000. Yes, you can do it, and yes, you will hear of tons of different stories how people started with a few $100s. Me myself started my first private label brand with less than $500 when starting out, and it was possible because it was a lot different back when I started. I started back in 2013 and it was a lot less competitive. Whereas today, when you're starting, you don't just have to have money for your product, you also have to have money to get your product launched, to get good quality product photography, to create a good product listing. All of this requires some money to get started with. So there's no point just investing, $500 in startup inventory and expecting it to take off. You have to spend money in order to make money. And that's why you should start with at least $1,000, and anything below that you shouldn't really consider starting with private label. But hold on a minute, because I'm going to give you some ideas how you can get started with less than $1,000 without doing private label. So the first thing that I'm going to tell you is, if you have less than $1,000 and you want to get started, then don't go out and purchase a course. You're going to have to learn this from your own experiences. Yes, it will take you longer to learn than if you just bought a step-by-step course and started following the steps in that course. It's going to take you longer to go out, purchase inventory, and actually learn from your experience. But I advise you to do it this way because you have a limited budget. So you need to make your budget go as far as it can possibly can. And that is why you shouldn't go and spend any money on a course. If you have less than $1,000 to start with, you should really learn it hands-on and get to know it step by step yourself by actually doing the implementation, as this will save you some money, although it will take longer than if you were to go out and purchase a course. The next thing that I would do is I would sign up for a free Amazon account. You can do this by going over to Amazon and just signing up as an individual. So you're not signing up as a business, you're just signing up as an individual, and you're just signing up for the basic account. I think you can sell up to 40 different items in a month while on this account. Then you have to upgrade to a pro account when you sell more than 40 items a month. But go over and register for the free account. This way you can start by getting the Amazon seller app, and you can start scanning different products, seeing if they're going to be profitable if you sell them on Amazon. Then I would go out to stores and start scanning items. So again, when you go into the store, you can go down and look for the sales section. This is where you will often find some of the best products to start with, because these products are on sale. And a lot of the toy stores do have like 3 for 2 toys and different deals like that from time to time. These are great deals to go in on, because you can flip these items that you buy on sale on Amazon for a massive profit a lot of the time. And using the Amazon seller app, it will tell you how much these products are selling for on Amazon and how many sellers you will be competing against for the buy box if you purchase these items. There are loads of different stores that you can go out to. If you're based in the UK, you can go to Tesco, to TK Maxx, to Asda, and most other stores that sell homeware items. Homeware items are often the best items to start with because they sell in large quantities on Amazon and they're easy to pick up at low prices in these stores. Whereas if you're based in the US, then you'll probably be going to stores like Walmart, TK Maxx and Target, as well as loads of other stores that you have over there to go to and do this. This is known as retail arbitrage, and this is a great way to get familiar with Amazon FBA with a limited budget, because you can simply go out on day one and purchase $100, $200 worth of inventory send it into Amazon. You learn how the whole process works. You learn how Amazon want your items when you send them in, and you will learn exactly about the volume and how you can judge volume of sales. You will be learning this hands-on, and you will be making money while learning it. So it is a great way to do it if you are on a budget, because you can simply make money while learning. As well as this, you should sign up with a lot of deal websites online. And there are a lot of other stores online that you can go to and simply purchase these products from these online stores and deal sites and get them sent to your house. Then when the products arrive at your house, simply pack them up in a box and send them off to Amazon FBA. It's that simple. But because it is that simple, there is a lot of competition on these products that are selling well, because a lot of people are finding these deals because it is very simple to do from home, and people have virtual assistants signed up to do this for them. So they're constantly searching for these deals. So you won't find as many deals when you first start by simply doing online arbitrage compared to when you're doing retail arbitrage. You'll find a lot more deals when you first get started. Heck, you can even make money flipping products from Amazon to Amazon, buying them for cheap on Amazon and flipping them for a profit back onto Amazon using Amazon FBA. And I have a video that shows you an example of exactly when I have done this in the past. So I'll link up that video down in the description so that you can check it out after this video and see for yourself exactly how easy you can make money with Amazon FBA. So you're probably wondering why I'm telling you all this. Why am I telling you to start by doing retail or online arbitrage, when you know the business model that I follow is private label, and that involves me dealing with manufacturers in China, getting my unique private label products made in China and sent to Amazon and selling them on Amazon via Amazon FBA. But I'm telling you about retail and online arbitrage because if you are starting with a budget, it's the best way to make your budget go far and also learn Amazon FBA. So you won't need to take any course in regards to Amazon FBA. You'll have it all learned from doing this. Yes, you might need to go on and take a course in regards to private label, or you might simply come across an opportunity while doing retail and online arbitrage for your own unique private label product. And this is what I done. This is how I got started, and that's why I'm telling you that you should start this way if you don't have the money, because you can build up the money doing it this way and eventually start your own brand of products, taking everything that you've learned along the way and using it as experience. And this will benefit you greatly when you do decide to start your own brand of products. Or maybe you have been doing this for a while and now you want to get started with private label. You have over $1,000 and you're ready to jump in and start learning what it takes to create your own successful brand of products on Amazon. And if that's the case, then you can check out the unique private label course. I will leave the link down in the description so you can jump down and check that out. This is a course that I've put together to show you everything that I have learned from all of my experience with Amazon FBA and creating my own unique private label products. So you can jump down and check that out now. And over the next couple of days, I'm going to be having a chat with someone who does retail and online arbitrage full time. I'm going to be having a chat on my YouTube channel. So if you are interested in learning about more about this, then please click subscribe, because I will be having a video chat with them over the next couple of days, and you will get a notification when we're live having the chat. You can join in and ask any questions that you have around that. So click subscribe now to see that notification and any future notifications for my videos on YouTube. I hope that you have found this video helpful, and I look forward to speaking to you again soon. Bye.